All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. Wilbur, are you ready to rumble? You ready? All right, let's do it. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Let's rumble! Good girls. Grayson, Midnight, you two are always the goodest girls. I'll be right back, okay? Good girl, Rona. Go to bed. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Penny, Sandra. Come on, good girls. Ooh, first night in the new duplex. Stop, back up. That doesn't mean you can come out this side. Oh, get in there, Penny, get in there. Ooh, check it out. So much space for activities. What's up? You like your duplex? Come on, Angel, let's go. Albie. Come on, guys, it's bedtime. Come on, why is everybody moving so slow today? Olivia, let's go. Come on, Mama. Come on, put a little pep in your step. This is the best part of the day, remember? Good girl, Olivia. Come on. Marshmallow, you're looking handsome as ever. Wilbur, there you are. And you brought the whole flock with you. I was wondering where you guys were. Come on, Wilbur. Come on, it's time for bed, buddy. Get in there. Wilbur, you're such a good boy. Your bowl is empty, though, okay? I'll be right back. I have to go get the food. I'll be right back. Albie! Come on, Slowpoke. It's time for bed. Get in there. Come on, get in there. It's time for bed. Good boy. Get in there. I'll be right back, okay? Olivia, come on. You're next. Let's go. It's time for bed. Let's rumble. Olivia, come on. Hi, good girl. Come on. You ready to go to bed? All right, come on. Get some food and we'll go to bed. All right, back up, Goose. Watch out. Back. Back. Good boys. Don't worry. I'll be right back with your food, okay? Come on, Olivia. Thank you for waiting so patiently. You're such a good girl. Are you hungry? Okay, come on. Go to bed. Good girl. Get in there. I'll be right back. Boys, what's going on? Relax. You guys hungry? You ready for dinner? Bubba. Guys, oh my God. Buster, you guys. Chill out. Are you hungry? Bubba, you got issues, my friend.